Next trick is Eiji Okayama's signature trick called Eiji Regen. And that's the whole trick. What you want to do is you start out in a normal mount, and then you do the hop defense, and you can't really control how high the yo-yo goes every single time, but what you want to do is when the yo-yo's up there, you're going to whip the string over your shoulder, and the yo-yo will be coming down, and what you want to do is guide the string right underneath the yo-yo, and when it's coming down, you need to pull with your throw hand, and the string should wrap around the yo-yo. When you're doing that, the yo-yo is going to come up, and when it's coming up, it should be up here. You're going to loop around, and then just loop out like the regular loop. So this is what it should look like. Just like that. And that's Eiji Regen.